Hi, my name is Dan Kaczynski, and welcome to the Just Roofing It mini podcast on safety first. So today's mini podcast is dedicated to improving safety standards in one of America's most dangerous professions, and that is roofing. Let's get into it. Roofing is essential for both residential and commercial properties, but it's also one of the most hazardous jobs in the United States. Over 50 roofers lose their lives each year in accidents, making it second only to logging in terms of workplace fatalities. The statistics highlight the urgent need for enhanced safety measures. So we're going to explore various strategies and practical tips to improve roofer safety for you in 2024. Roofing is critical for maintaining the structural integrity of homes and buildings, but the high demand for roofing services means more contractors are working under hazardous conditions in a fast-paced work environment. According to the Bureau of Labor, roofing is consistently ranked among the top dangerous jobs in America. The fatalities and accidents in this profession necessitate a strong focus on safety protocols. The cornerstone of improving roofer safety lies in education. Unfortunately, many roofing companies just don't prioritize safety education as they should. Often safety discussions are either too brief or either non-existent. Ideally, roofing companies should conduct weekly safety meetings that are both educational and engaging. Here at Total Restoration Services, we have one every morning with the crews, or at least the foremen do, before they get working on the job site. So basically, these meetings should cover relevant topics and involve active participation from everybody. It's just not a preach and go ahead and do it type gig. For instance, during cold weather, discuss frostbite prevention, and before summer, talk about heat exhaustion and staying hydrated. We'll explore how to make these meetings effective and engaging, ensuring the safety information is retained and applied. So it is basically crucial that these sessions are interactive. It just can't be a one-way. Like I said, preach and see you later just doesn't work. Instead of just talking at the team, involve them in discussion. Pose hypotheticals and ask questions about how to implement safety processes on job sites. Ensure the team knows how to use safety equipment by testing them regularly. Even though wearing a safety harness might seem straightforward, practicing its application off-site can be invaluable. Treat these meetings like a classroom. Repeat key safety information regularly and ensure that all team members, even those who miss the meeting, receive the necessary training at some point. Working alone, and yes, I have seen this done, is a significant risk factor in roofing. Solo jobs increase the likelihood of serious injuries. If roofers stop doing solo jobs, the industry could see a dramatic decrease in workplace injuries. It's essential for roofing companies to ensure that no job, regardless of size, is done alone. This might be challenging for small roofing companies with a high workload, but the safety benefits outweigh the drawbacks. A competent foreman is crucial for any roofing team. Good foremen with a proven safety record are invaluable. When promoting or hiring foremen, prioritize their commitment to safety. Don't just promote based on seniority. Look at their safety record first. A good foreman actively participates in safety initiatives, inspects PPE gear, and enforces safety rules. PPE is another extremely crucial component of roofer safety. Proper PPE includes hard hats, safety glasses, gloves, safety harnesses, non-slip footwear, and appropriate clothing. Each piece of equipment serves a specific purpose in protecting the roofer. For instance, hard hats obviously protect against head injuries from falling objects, while safety glasses shield the eyes from debris and harmful UV radiation. Gloves protect the hands from cuts and abrasions, and safety harnesses are obviously crucial for preventing falls from heights. Non-slip footwear provides necessary traction on slippery surfaces, and appropriate clothing protects against various weather conditions. Using PPE correctly and maintaining it properly is vital. Training workers on the correct use of PPE, such as how to wear and adjust safety harnesses, ensures that they are used effectively. Regular inspections and maintenance of PPE are also very necessary. Damaged or worn out equipment can fail, leading to injuries. Best practices for training, using, and maintaining PPE involve regular sessions where workers can practice and demonstrate their proficiency with the equipment. So, safety isn't just confined to the roof. Ensuring safety on the ground and while traveling to job sites is of equal importance. This means securing tools and debris in vehicles and ensuring safe driving practices. Roofing companies often overlook these aspects of safety. Installing a GPS in a company truck can monitor driving habits and ensure compliance with speed limits. Technology is playing an increasingly important role in enhancing safety in various industries, including roofing. From drones for roof inspections to advanced safety gear, there are numerous tech solutions available to improve safety standards. Safety isn't just about physical measures. The psychological well-being of roofers is equally important. There is stress, a lot of fatigue, and mental health issues which can significantly impact safety on the job. It's crucial to address these aspects by providing support and resources for mental health. So, basically, as we conclude, we'll look ahead at the future of roofing safety. Maybe bring some of it up in another episode. We'll take a look at what trends and innovations we can expect. How can roofing companies stay ahead of the curve? By implementing safety measures. We'll explore the evolving landscape of roofing safety and what steps companies can take to ensure they're providing the safest possible work conditions for their teams. And that all will be in a different episode as, like I said, things evolve. So anyway, thank you for joining me on the Just Roofing It mini podcast. I hope this has been or provided at least some valuable insights and practical steps to enhance safety in the workplace, especially in roofing. Remember, safety it's not just a requirement. It is a commitment to ensuring that every roofer returns home safely at the end of the day. So stay safe. And until next time, keep putting safety first. My name is Dan Kaczynski from Total Restoration Services in West Bend, Wisconsin. Call me for all your doors, windows, roofing, siding, and gutter needs. 262-334-9110. That's 262-334-9110. Or stop by our website at trsroofs.com. That's trsroofs.com. Thanks again. And remember, call me. We'll see you somewhere.